Good day also, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Keke versus minibus, which is better for transportation in Nigeria in 2026. We all know Keke Napep, which is the Tricycle, we have the TVS, we have the Bajaj and the rest of them. Then we talk about the minibuses. The minibus is the most rampant models in Nigeria, the Suzuki Every and the Daihatsu Hijet in Nigeria. There is also the Mitsubishi version, but those ones are not that popular. So we are going to be talking about the difference in both of them so that you as a person that wants to go into transportation in Nigeria will get to know the differences and know the best one to choose. Then at the end of the video, we'll also give a final verdict on the one to choose and also the factors that will necessitate that. So let's get started. Then first of all, we talk about the comfort and the space. Then talking about the minibus has enough comfort, especially if the seats are well arranged. It can accommodate up to 7 passengers plus the driver, making it 8, 3 at the back, 3 at the middle, and 1 person at the front plus the driver, 8 occupants. Then coming over to the comfort, that one offers more comfort. There's AC, you can fix in AC to the minibus and it will be way more comfortable. But when you talk about the Keke Napep offers comfort for people sitting at the rear. For the 2 persons perching at the front, nothing like comfort like that. So and Keke Napep, you won't have the AC. So coming over to durability, both of them are durable. The Keke Napep self used to come in as brand new. So if you buy a brand new, it will last very well. So the main thing why this thing, the Keke Napep or the minibuses don't last much is due to bad maintenance culture and overloading. Because some people will take a Keke Napep and turn it to Diana. So that's for that. Then we talk about coming over to safety. When you talk about safety, the Keke Napep is not that safe like that because it's a 3-wheeler. Although it's not as if that is a death trap. No, the Keke Napep is still a good destined to use for commercial transport. But in terms of balance, it's a 3-wheel. The minibus has more balance than it. So the Keke Napep will not navigate some rough terrain because if it does, it might tip over. So then move back to fuel consumption. When you talk about the fuel consumption on this model, the Keke Napep is top notch when it comes to fuel consumption. This is just a single cylinder. So you know the drain fuel. That's why most of our Keke drivers, they will put 500 naira and drive it almost the whole day. So it's a single cylinder. So the fuel consumption is top notch. Then the minibus, on the other hand, it has a very impressive fuel consumption rating. If you buy the 3 Plus version, you definitely love it because that one consumes less fuel, and that's why the minibus has taken over the Nigerian transportation business. So in terms of fuel consumption, we give it to the Keke Napep, but the minibus on its own does not consume fuel. If you have applied using the minibus, you see that most of the drivers highest na 800 naira, 1000 naira for. So both of them are cool in terms of fuel consumption. Then we talk about profitability. Before we talk about the profitability, which one brings more money, please, if you have followed us to this then please do like and subscribe because we got so much more better content coming your way. Thank you. So profitability, the minibus accommodates up to 7 passengers, and then when you talk about 7 passengers, the other one can carry up to 5. So but if you are doing pick and drop, like both of them bring in much money, but the minibus has 7 passengers, the Keke has a maximum of 5, 2 persons fetching at the front and 3 persons at the rear. So that's it. So the minibus definitely brings in more money, and remember the money that they bring depends on so many factors, including the route you are taking. So if you are going, you have to consider so many things. Then we talk about the cost of procurement. That is cost of buying it. That one is simple. The price of the Keke Napep in Nigeria right now starts at 3.9 million naira and goes up to 3,950, 4 million, depending. Then going over to the minibus, a Tokumbo minibus, Suzuki Every and the Daihatsu Hijet. Now I sell it at 3.8 million naira for the automatic with chain timing, and this pricing goes up to 4.5, 4.6 million naira for the 3 Plus, depending on what you are looking out for. So pricing for the minibus is way higher, especially if you are looking for belts. But the Keke Napep, no stress, you get it at 3.9 million. But if you are going for CNG is a bit costlier. So if you want to learn more about the Keke Napep and the minibus, we make videos on our channel. You can watch them there. So if you need any of these, you need a Keke Napep or you need a minibus, you want to reach out to Alpha Luxury Wheels Limited on 081 07 99 2356 for claim minibus at an affordable rate. We have been delivering happiness. We deliver tons of minibus in 2025. So 2026, we are still on it. So reach out to us. We give you the best deal. We deliver nationwide. Thank you. Please like and subscribe before you go. Thank you.